The onboarding and support system with training and development at ClientTether has been exceptional. We have felt supported every step of the way. I'm Erin Fletter. I'm the founder, CEO, and food geek in chief of Sticky Fingers Cooking. We are a non-brick and mortar cooking school. We go into schools and summer camps and community centers. We teach kids the joy of cooking. They make everything from scratch without a kitchen, and all globally based recipes. We have about 3,000 recipes, and we have taught about 1 million children how to cook. Before we joined ClientTether, we did have some missed opportunities, some missed leads. We are a relationship company, and so it's really important to us that we have really strong communication. So having a CRM really has helped maintain that one-on-one communication with our leads. ClientTether was able to organize us, and so it really helped us overcome so many of the challenges that we had with missed leads, with having more communication with our leads, having more internal communications within our executive team as well, and really keeping everything organized. And really what we have found is that our leads going through the process since we have onboarded ClientTether have just been giving us praise after praise about how wonderful we communicate with them and how supported they felt every step of the way. One of the things that we're able to do now that we weren't able to do before is to have some integrations. We are able to integrate our franchise development site with ClientTether. We see how lots of applications can evolve from there. We've also, again, communication is everything. So having the organization and the communication so that everybody knows where our lead flows are really important, and to know that all of our leads are taken care of as well. Working with the ClientTether team has been remarkable. It feels one-on-one. It feels like we have an actual relationship with them and not a huge, big organization. They all know us by first name. We high-five each other when we see each other at various conferences. And so that feels really great. They always send us great socks and chocolate. I love that. And really, we're able to reach out to them, and we really have one-on-one relationship and support.